Hello, Damian Milner here, the IT Administrator for Future Problem Solving. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in as a coach and add a student manually. So first thing you're going to do is go to FPSOnline.org. You're going to click the top link, bottom link to log in as a coach, or here in the middle. If you click in the middle, make sure you select coach from the drop-down menu, type in your login information and log in. Once you get here, you're going to click on the left-hand menu where it says students. Click on students, you're going to see all the students that might already be assigned to you. However, at the top left here is where you can add a new student manually. Here's where you can import in bulk, and we'll go over that in another video. So click add new student, and what you would do here is you would type in their name, their email address, you would select their grade, select their age, type in the actual student username you want. If it was a name that wasn't available and you were trying to use it, it gives you this red X here. Okay, so once you get that, you can type in the student's password here in plain text, whatever you want that password to be, and then you want to assign them to an actual team, and then you'll, down here in the left, you'll click the add button. And what you'll see here is the student gets added with their division, their name, their password would be right here with their student name and their team code. And again, if something went wrong, you needed to remove it, you could click delete right here. But that's how you would manually add a student to FPSOnline. I hope you stick around and watch some more videos. Thank you for your time. Have a great and positive day.